Good morning, students. Welcome back to your computer class. In the previous class, we had discussed on the topic centering of the text in our web page, how we can change the font face of the text as well as the font size and font color of the text in our web page. So these things we had explained and read also in our previous class. So before coming to the next topic, we will revise it little bit and then start. So coming to the textbook, centering the text, you can emphasize on some important information by centering the text. Okay. So for that, we have to use a center tag. So the text which you want to align in center, before that you have to write center in an angular bracket and then close it also, because they are a container tag. So let's see how you will perform this. Okay, see here some text are written. Here it is written computer system. You can see nothing is written before and after. So let's see what is the result in the browser of this. The text is not aligned in center. So what we have learned is that using a center tag, with the help of that you can align it in center. So let's see, center, and after that backslash center. If you do any changes in your text editor, then first save it with Ctrl S and then come to your browser and refresh it. See, the change has been done. Now it has been aligned to center. So this shows that using center tag you can align your text in center. I hope it is clear to you all. Now coming back, changing the font of text. Now you have aligned it in the center, so you can change the font also of the text. So you can change the appearance of your text using the tags font. Okay, font along with the face attribute. Means with font we will use face attribute to change the appearance of our text. More than one font, while changing the font, as it comes handy, if one font is missing on a user computer, the text can be displayed with another font, which we had already discussed. Let's see this works or not. So here I am going to use a font face. See, it's a regular font, nothing has been changed. Now here I am going to use font face. Font face equals to double inverted comma, elephant is a font name, okay, PHANT, then double inverted comma, until where you want the changes. You see, if you want the changes only one paragraph, then you close your font at the end of the paragraph. Ctrl S. See, the changes have been made. It has come, okay, in an elephant font. So the appearance of the text is changed. Now coming on to the next topic, how we can change the size of the text. As we have seen that now how we can easily change the font face of the text. Now can we change the size also? You can change the size of the text on your web page just as you can change the font of the text. You can even change the size of the individual character also, a single character. So for this you have to use a size attribute with the font tag. 1 will be the smallest value and 7 will be the largest value. Okay, so let's see this also, that it gets changed or not. So here I want to change the size of my text. In regular font the size is this, a normal. Now I am going to change. Now here instead of face I am writing the size, font size, in double inverted comma I am writing 5. Okay, here the font is already closed, so save it. Now let's see the size is changed now. That means for changing the size of the text we have to use a font tag with the size attribute. This is the normal font and this is the changed font. I hope clear to you all. Now changing the color of the text. Can you change the text color? Yes, of course, because we are changing the font of the text, size of the text. So yes, we can change the color of the text also. So let's see. So here it is written body text and the color code. For coloring what? The whole text, the whole document text, it will be colored while using the font color. So taking this example, I am going to change my text color. Here body is written text equals to double inverted comma. If you don't know the color code also, if you are not remembering the color code, then you can directly write the name of the color. Okay, just now hope I am not remembering the code, so I am writing the color red. So see, it accepts it not. See, whatever the text written in the document is changed into a red color. Now I am going to take some codes and check. I am taking a what? Purple hash 8080. Okay, hash 8080, hash 8080. Let's see what happens. See, the color changed, means in both the conditions, when you are writing the name of the color, then also, and when you are writing the color code, then also it changed the text color, means the font color. Okay, so now this time you have written the code inside the body tag, means you have used a text attribute with the body tag. Now coming back to the textbook, changing the part of text color. There we have used text with the body, So the whatever text written in a document and the web page, the whole document text changes to the red. Now can we change the color of a particular text? The change color of part of the text, you can specify the color using a hexadecimal value or certain common colors. The name of the color means both. So to change the text color for a particular text, you have to use font color, the name of the color or the code, and then close. So finally check it. Okay, let's check it. Now here I am erasing. Here now I am just, instead of size, I am using here color, color, color yellow, on the insert tab, comma, till here, not for the whole paragraph, for a particular text. Okay, the insert tab, backslash font. Okay, from here I am just removing it, Control S. Let's see the color changed to yellow. You can see it on the insert tab. Okay, this, and this one is black and this one is yellow. Okay, so you can change the particular text color also. Now here you want to change your document, okay, or quick style set command. Now color this, write font color equals to red, or again hash 8080, close it, backslash font, Control S. See here, it hasn't changed. So this shows that you can change the color of a particular text also. Now next topic says that change the background color of the page. Now you are changing the size of the text, font face of the text, font color of the text. So can you also change the color of the page? Means the background color of the page. So what we have to do, see here, body BG color is a code for changing the background color. We will write BG color equals to name of the color red. So here body BG color red. Now Control S and then see the color is changed, means the background color is changed of our web page by using body BG color to change the background. So remember this body BG color for changing the background of the text. Clear? So very easily we can change it. Red, you can choose any color instead of red. Yellow. Okay, so now Control S and let's see it changes or not. See, it has changed the background color in yellow. So by using BG color, you can change the background of your web page. While using font color, you can change the color of your text, particular text. And if you want to change the color of your whole document, the text which you have written, then you can write body text equals to the color name or the color code. So there is no restriction for writing only code. Okay, here I have written the code and here I have written the name. So instead of code you can write the name also, and instead of name you can write the code also. Okay, so coming back to the textbook, changing the background color of the page, you can add colors to the background of the page using the PG color attribute. It is a good idea to choose a background color that does not obscure your text. So see, body BG color yellow, which I have shown you. So now you can choose any color. Instead of yellow you can use red or else silver, gray, aqua, whatever color you want. So here, now your chapter is completed. So let's see what are the other things you had understood in this chapter. Once revise them all. So you can see here the starting of the chapter, title tags, head, HTML tags. Okay, save the name of the file with .html or .htm. So here you can see title. Title describes the contents of a web page, and the title bar of a web browser window usually displays on the title. So remember this thing also. Body tags, it is a container element. It is used to display the main contents of the document. Now next, displaying the web page in a browser. So after saving your work with .htm, you can see it in a browser easily. Paragraph, for paragraph you can use a p tag in the text editor. New line, for new line br tag is used for a new line. H1, H2, H3, H4, H6. For the heading, there are different heading levels which I had already discussed. Okay, changing the alignment heading, you can align it left, center or right. Changing the paragraph alignment, you can also change the paragraph. It can be in the center or right, left. This is pre-formatted text with the pre tag. You can do this. Blank space also you have seen. Now I have told you that I will show you the practical of this one also, the bulleted list. Okay, so I am just showing you. Here I am writing. Okay, you can see it. I am using the UL tag for unordered list.